What we do at Beckler Instruments, and specifically with the Pointmaker product line, is we draw on video. What we're looking at here right now is a video image that's generated by the Wolf Vision document camera. It's a live video image, and typically we draw on that video in order to focus audience attention. What's a little bit different about this year is that in addition to our 7 different models of Pointmakers, switcher scalers, distribution amps, we've added the ability to interact with our products from the iPad. That means that if I draw something on the iPad, that annotation shows up on the large screen as well. Or more than one user can also do the same thing. So we can have multiple iPads in a room, multiple people can be annotating, and anything that I annotate on the big screen also shows up on the iPads. Let me show you a different example of this. In this case, we have content that's on this iPad that we'd like to share with the group. And when we do, the same image now appears on all the iPads in the room as well as the Pointmaker hardware. And we can annotate from any location. Anything that I'm drawing on any of the iPads or on the touchscreen shows up on the others. So it's a very cool way to collaborate within a classroom. It also works on networks or on the internet, so people don't have to be in the same room. You can collaborate from different locations around the world.
By incorporating iPads, presentations will never be the same. You can start by selecting a photo from those stored on your iPad. You can also start with a background template, such as a blackboard, a whiteboard, or yellow paper. The app also supports Word, Excel, and PowerPoint documents. Once you've loaded something, you're ready to annotate using the drawing tools. Touching the icon displays a palette of tools, colors, and erasers. The pencil tool draws in 7 bold colors, the highlight tool in 7 translucent colors. Both tools have 3 line sizes. The eraser tool has 3 larger sizes. That's all you need to know to load an image and begin annotating. But at this stage, everything is isolated to the iPad. But the real power of the Engage Pointmaker app comes in collaboration. Here are some excerpts from our training videos available on YouTube and at our EngagePointmaker.com website.
To share the image, touch the Share Image icon in the toolbar. When in a meeting, options include Share, Post to Facebook, Post to Twitter, and Email. The Share option allows you to share the image with someone who has joined in on the meeting. If Start Meeting appears in this menu, you have not joined a meeting and need to enter a meeting name and password. See our help video on joining a meeting for more information. The Facebook and Twitter options allow you to post your image with markings to your Facebook and/or Twitter account. You must have an account with either social media site to utilize this feature. The Email option allows you to share your image with markings via an email. A message pops up, ready to go. Enter the recipient address in the To field and hit Send.
Okay, so how do I join a meeting?
Before starting, make sure you are connected to either a Wi-Fi or mobile network. Touch the Join Meeting icon displayed in the toolbar. In the Meeting Setup menu, touch the meeting name box and type in the name of the meeting you have chosen, noting that characters are case sensitive. Then in the password box, enter the password you have chosen. Remember, both attendees must use the same meeting name and password to be able to share images and markings. Touch Join.
Here's a useful feature when you're collaborating with someone at a distance.
In this video, you will learn about the chat feature. This feature can only be used when in a meeting with another person. By touching the chat icon, a dialog box appears that allows you to begin a chat simply by touching the text field to call up the keyboard. This part is like texting. Just type your message and hit Send.
If the chat dialog isn't open when someone sends you a message, the chat icon will bounce and play this sound to get your attention. Only one more thing to know: how to import documents. Email is an easy way to import documents. Just touch the attachment to have it displayed. Then touch the action icon in the top right corner, followed by the Open in Pointmaker icon. The Engage app supports 2-finger zooming and 2-finger scrolling. You use 1 finger to mark. So there you have it. From now on, with Pointmaker presentations, everyone can engage, everyone can collaborate.